What is Sys.Maxint in Python 3? I've been trying to find out how to represent a maximum integer, and I've read to use Sys.Maxint. However, in Python 3 when I call it I get
The System.Maxint constant was removed, since there is no longer a limit to the value of integers. However, System.Maxsize can be used as an integer larger than any practical list or string index. It conforms to the implementation's natural integer size and is typically the same as System.Maxint in previous releases on the same platform, assuming the same build options. This URL
Python 3 ints do not have a maximum. If your purpose is to determine the maximum size of an int in C when compiled the same way Python was, you can use the struct module to find out. If you are curious about the internal implementation details of Python 3 int objects, look at sys.int_info for bits per digit and digit size details. No normal program should care about these.
As pointed out by others, Python 3's int does not have a maximum size, but if you just need something that's guaranteed to be higher than any other int value, then you can use the float value for infinity, which you can get with float, inf. In Python 3.5 onwards, you can use math.inf. Note, as per Ely's comment, this may impact the efficiency of your code, so it may not be the best solution.
Python 3.0 doesn't have System.Maxint anymore since Python 3's ints are of arbitrary length. Instead of System.Maxint it has System.Maxsize, the maximum size of a positive-sized size_t aka py_size_t.
Ich was heute her, diesen Video einschreiben.